channel. My name is Ndifon Ntui. On this channel I make sewing tutorials. I post new videos on Wednesdays and on Saturdays, so please make sure to back on those days in order to watch new content. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. If you are a beginner or if you are a person who wants to brush up on your skill, I offer online courses. I'll be showing a demo how to make a jumpsuit for you to watch and decide if it be convenient for you to learn online. If you're interested, send a Telegram message number that you can see on the screen. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the video. Continue to have a lovely day. Bye bye. Alright, you're welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to correct this common issue. So you can see at the bottom here, you can see that one side is longer than the other. Okay, I hope the camera is picking it up. Now this is a common issue that is caused by beginner mistakes when you are sewing, either by consuming too much allowance on one side than you did the other when you were joining certain stitches. But it does happen that around your zipper allowance you would have issues where one side will be longer than the other. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to rectify this issue. Alright, now personally it depends. I finish my zipper allowance like this when I have to, but most times if I can, I prefer finishing it like this so that you don't have to deal with any of this. So this is the back of the dress. You can see this is the zipper area that we have over here, and over here you cannot see this, but yes, there's sometimes I will do this if there is no other way. So if you have a problem like this, what you are going to do is this. You are going to need to loosen back up to this point. So let's say you were trying to fix you had fixed your zipper, or you know where your zipper is going to stop. Let me get something. Okay, I'm trying to explain something. Now let's say that you are trying to make is you've sewn that back of your dress. As you can see, this dress was finished in a similar way, where you have the both sides like this, but this one has a slit. But look at what I'm trying to say. What you are going to do when you've encountered an issue like this, okay, is you are going to loosen from the edge over here. You're going to loosen and stop 1 inch after your zipper allowance. Okay, you're going to loosen all of this back up to here, and now I will show you what to do so that the length is the same. Now this trick I'm about to show you is going to work if you are making if the excess that you have is less than 1 inch. If you have a crazy amount of excess, like 3 inches longer or something crazy, or even 2 inches, I would say you go back and look for where the problem is. But for this to work perfectly fine, if you have an excess of 1 inch, half an inch, this trick is going to that I'll show you is going to fix it. So I'm going to loosen my seams from here, and I'm going to stop at 1 inch after the top so that I can show you what to do. But don't loosen the entire thing. Don't loosen everything and loosen your zipper. Just loosen and stop 1 inch after where your zip is meant to stop. Okay, so now you can see that I have separated both sides of the front, and I stopped before I got to the top, like I had instructed you to do. Now the next thing you are going to do is this. Make sure that after you have stopped here, you're going to come to the bottom that where you had the inequality. You are now going to make them equal. And what you're going to do is this. You're going to look for the part that is longer. So you're going to keep them flat at the bottom. You do something like this. The part that is longer would have the excess. Even if it's at the bottom and you do this, you see that the top part is smooth. If you turn underneath, you will see the excess that is giving you that has the issue. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you keep the side that has the excess facing the machine when you are sewing. So check out what I'm about to do. You're going to take this part that has the excess. You see here, you're going to take the part that has the excess, and you're going to make it face the down part. So it's going to make it face the machine. I'm going to come to the bottom now, and I'm going to make a stitch. Now this stitch is going to make sure that my hem stays on the same level. Okay, so you're going to come to the bottom. Make sure that your hem is on the same level. Remember, the one that is longer, the one that has the excess, is sitting underneath is this part here, the part that is in direct contact with the sewing machine. Okay, now after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is this. You are going to come back to that 1 inch after your zipper. Have you seen that? And you're going to start to stitch from here. Okay, that's stitching down normally. When you have gotten past that point, what you're going to do, you're going to come to the end. Okay, you see the end here. You're going to hold the end. You're going to pull it. Okay, you're going to pull it, and then you're going to stitch. Alright. And if I turn to the other side, you see this here has some little squeeze, but by the time we iron this, I'll take this to my iron table, I'll iron it, and I'll show you the final result. But you can see now the both sides of the hem are on the same level. Now if I'm making like a long dress, for example, a dress that is really long, and you have this issue, even if you have an issue of like 1.5 inches, and let's say you're dealing with a dress that has a length of 60, if you have enough space between your zipper and the hem, you can even swallow in as much as 1 point something inches. But when you get to 2 inches, you need to go back to the waist and locate where the problem is. But this is a quick fix to get you out of a problem, because I know that this can be really frustrating for beginners. So I'm going to give this, you need to take your time, use a lot of steam, iron it so that everything will lay flat. But this is a nice easy trick to have in your arsenal, especially when you are working under pressure. Mistakes happen when you are under a lot of pressure. So I'm going to iron this, and you'll see how smooth this looks by the time I'm done ironing it. Now after a lot of ironing, this is the final result. So you can see the same level at the top, same level at the bottom on both the front and on the back. Now that is the trick. I want to just end this video with on this note. Make sure to take your time when you are sewing. If you pay attention to every single detail when you are sewing, you will not have that issue where one is up and one is down. The reason I'm doing this is because this problem is primarily a problem that beginners face, and my intention is that you continue to sew past the challenges that you would meet. And very little things like this can frustrate a person. Okay, you might be working on the dress and you encounter this issue where one side is up and one side is down, and you're fighting with it, and it continues ending up like that. Now I don't want you to stop sewing or to get discouraged because of little issues like this. That is why I make videos like this, and the other zipper video that I did about the zipper that's scallops. These little things can discourage a person. That's why I make this video, but I'm not encouraging you to always do word to the answer. Do the right thing. But I hope that this video is useful to somebody. Have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.